Hey boys. Yeah, Mason. Mason. Hey, Mason. What's this guy's name? What's his name? Okay, who is that? Is that Phineas?
That's mine. It's upside down.
He's upside down?
It's upside down.
Is that Ferb?
No, it's upside down, babe.
Upside down Ferb.
It's upside down. See.
Upside down who?
Upside down.
Who is that guy, Mason?
I can't see him.
Is that Tom the platypus?
It's upside down, Peppers.
Platypus. Is it upside down Perry the platypus?
Yeah. It's upside down.
Ferb.
It's upside down.
Davis, who's this guy? Who's this guy that Mason has? Who's that?
Upside down.
His name is... Oh!
It's upside down.
Perry the platypus.
It's upside down.
Oh my goodness, look at him upside down.
Wow.
Oh!